Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Ingrid Joy Aromas. If you never subscribed yet, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. You will see new videos out and I will appreciate it very much. Today I want to show you though how to make a room spray, and I am going to be using these oils today. I also have my water here, and this is a diffuser, not a diffuser, I'm so sorry, it's a distilled water I'm using, but you can go ahead and also use witch hazel, and also you can use vodka as well. I mean, if you're going to be using it like a week or so, I should go ahead and use some tap water, but no longer than a week or less than a week. So I'm getting my gloves on here, and today this is a blend. It's gonna be a Zesty Citrus Blend. So here we are right now. And while I am dropping these, guys, I would stop talking because today I'm going to be using 20 drops of lemon and 20 drops of grapefruit and 10 drops of orange. So you can see it's going to be a zesty one. This is going to be perfect though for the washroom and also for the kitchen area. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start dropping our oils. And also let me see if I can get this out before I can stop talking. So I got some in before, so I'm gonna finish drop it off inside here, and we just need 10 drops of that little tip right there. Sometimes I have to have 2 syringes because sometimes they're 10. If you can see right now, I have 2 just in case I have to run back and go find oh, this is so hard to come off. It's new. This is new, guys. So yeah, I take the 2 syringes out just in case. You never know what kind of surprise sometime I'm getting. Alright, so there I got my drops in. I'm going to be throwing up the recipe in front for you as well, and so you don't have to really go ahead and stop the video or anything like that. This blend is also perfect for your diffuser. You can also put these drops in your diffuser and then just add some water to it, like what I'm doing here. So you can actually turn this into a diffuser blend, and you can also turn this into a room spray blend. So all you need to do right now is just top it off with some water. Give it a good shake, guys, and you're ready to go. I hope everyone is having a lovely weekend. It's the Easter weekend, guys, and I'm home today, so I decide I am going to be making a few videos before I'm off to work on Tuesday. I actually have Monday off, so I am also happy. Whoops. And I also have Monday off, which Monday I am going out. So I'm not going to be able to do a video tomorrow. I'm going to be pretty busy. How do you guys like these gloves? I really love these gloves. They are so pretty. I have all color gloves, guys. But I think my favorite, as you can see how the sprays work in here and smell beautifully. So give this recipe a good run. And you can see these are the 3 oils that I use plus the water. And if you don't want to use the water and you're going to be longer, just use something else. All right, thanks for watching.